In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Phantom Wallet account for success. Phantom Wallet is one of the most popular and reliable platforms where you're able to buy and store your crypto at. You could also purchase other assets like NFTs. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go to any web browser and just look up phantom.com. Make sure that you are using the legit website because there's many scams out there. You guys could also do this process on your mobile device by going to the App Store or the Google Play Store. From here, all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say download for Chrome, and then it is going to take you to the Chrome web store right over here. It's going to say Phantom, and all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say add to Chrome, then go ahead and just press on add extension. All right, and then just wait for it to install right over here, and then it is going to open up a new window that does look like this. So from here, you guys can go ahead and log into a wallet if you already have one, or if you're completely new, then do not worry because you can literally create a wallet from this menu as well. So for this video, let's go ahead and just create a new wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on create a new wallet. Now you guys have two different options. So you guys can actually create a wallet using a Google or Apple account and start exploring Web3 technology with ease. So that is definitely something you can do. So if you have like a personal email address, then you could literally make a wallet just using that. However, you guys could also go ahead and create a seed phrase wallet. It's basically the same thing. However, instead of logging in with the email, you would need to go ahead and log in with what's called a seed phrase. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on create a seed phrase wallet over here just to show you guys the more complicated process if that's something you're interested in. But obviously you can go ahead and continue with email. So once you went ahead and press on create a seed phrase wallet, then it is going to ask you to create a password. So let's go ahead and enter in the password. Now make sure that whenever you are working with crypto and whenever you are making these types of accounts, that you're very, very aware of what's going on. Make sure that you memorize your password, literally write it down on a piece of paper and keep that piece of paper in a safe place. I cannot stress this enough, guys. This is incredibly important because if you forget your seed phrase or if you don't have access to your private key or anything like that, then you will literally lose your cryptocurrency forever. There's no way to recover it. So let's go ahead and make a strong password really quickly. So once you have created a password, it is now going to give you your recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. Now, guys, I am not messing around over here. Make sure that you memorize your recovery phrase. Again, write that down on a piece of paper and keep that piece of paper in a safe place. And more importantly, do not share it to anybody. So if there's anybody online that is asking you to see your recovery phrase, then that means they want to scam you and steal all your cryptocurrency. So guys, just please be very careful and press on I save my recovery phrase and press on continue. And once you're done with that, it will now say you're all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So let's go ahead and press on get started right over here. Then let's go to our web extension manager right over here, press on that. And then let's go ahead and pin Phantom right over here. Now we can go ahead and just click on Phantom Wallet like so and just enter in your password and you should be able to log in. And here we are, guys. We are now in a fresh new Phantom Wallet account. So at the moment, our balance is currently 0. But from here, you guys are able to go ahead and start purchasing cryptocurrency. You're able to start trading. You can also swap cryptos as well. And there is a lot of great options. So you guys could also receive crypto. You could send crypto, swap it, or even buy it. So the first order of business, in my opinion, should always be to actually deposit some funds to your Phantom Wallet account. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on buy like so. And from here, you guys are able to go ahead and purchase like all of these different coins and stuff like that. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to go ahead and purchase Solana. You would go ahead and press on Solana like so. Then you would go ahead and select on how much Solana you actually want to buy. So let's say for this video, we wanted to buy like $20 worth of Solana. And from here, you guys could actually go ahead and select a payment method to add these funds to your account. So we could use stuff like a credit and debit card right over here, but there's also lots of great options that a Phantom Wallet does provide us with. So we could literally use blockchain.com, Unlimit, and there's a bunch of other cool stuff as well. So if you guys have like these different providers, then you could actually use them as well. For example, if you do use Robinhood, then you can literally fund your account using Robinhood, or you can go ahead and use a debit or credit card and all of these other payment methods. So we got MoonPay, Balance, we got Robinhood Buying Power, Venmo, Apple Pay, PayPal, all that good stuff. There is a bunch of like payment methods that you guys could actually use in order to purchase these cryptocurrencies. There's also another thing that I recommend you guys do. So go to the top left and select on your profile picture like so. Then go ahead and select over here where it does say settings. Then where it says active networks, you want to go ahead and press on that. and you want to go ahead and turn on all of these on. So I recommend turning all of them on just for clarity purposes. So at the moment, this is a new one, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on really quickly. But this is basically all of the active networks, and the more active networks that you do have, the more options you have when it comes to actually like purchasing cryptos and stuff like that. And if you guys ever want to receive crypto, then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on receive, and then it is going to provide you with all of your different addresses. So if you wanted to go ahead and accept like Ethereum as a payment, then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and give the person that is sending you Ethereum your wallet address. So you can literally do that by pressing on copy, and then you can send them the wallet address, and then once they do put in your wallet address, then you should be able to get your Ethereum or whatever asset they are sending. So Phantom Wallet is incredibly great and reliable, and I made many other tutorials that you guys can go ahead and take a look at. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.